Well, I did biomedical engineering technology in hospitals from about 1985 to 1997. And all the machines that go beep in the night in the hospital is pretty high-tech work for sure. And along that way, had taken database programming, and some of the hobbies on the side were, like I say, game programming, OpenGL, and 3D graphics, and that sort of thing. And then we came out to the farm, and then I kind of put all that aside up until just like the last 3 or 4 years ago. And I thought, there's some good languages out now. It's like C# and with the internet, that makes programming so much easier, because any question you have, you can ask on the internet, and it's been answered 7 times already. So that's pretty much how I got into it. Is I had, like I say, the game programming and stuff was fun, but it really didn't have much of a use. And then I think what made this project really neat is that it was actually useful. And about 4 years ago, I got really sick, like really sick. I should have been dead 3 times over. I had a blood disease, and it kind of, I wouldn't say it changed how my perspective of life, because my perspective has kind of always been like this, but there's just really that realization that life is short, and what have you done? And I mean, many people say, well, yeah, you should, why don't you sell it? Why don't you do all these things? And it's like, well, no, I can't be bothered. I just want to give something back to agriculture. And that's what really inspired me to do it, was to do something, and it's like I say, especially open source, where anyone can take that information and build on it. Have you heard of, is it HarperCollins? The university in the UK, they do something called the Hands-Free Hectare. And it's a big university engineering team. And just the other day, they asked, can we use your software, to drive all their stuff? Because they have a hectare of land, which is like 2.5 acres, and they don't touch it. Like, no human goes inside of that land, and it's just everything from drones to automated machines and that sort of thing. And they love the software. So why did I get into it? Yeah, that feels pretty freaking good.